Oh, hello guys, and welcome again to Chef Marcelina's Kitchen, 143 Sweet Tacos Cooking Corner. And this is a good day because today, finally, we're gonna learn how to do some green salsa. I've been waiting for this day for a long time, guys. Follow me to the refrigerator and we'll get some ingredients, I guess. Come on. Alright guys, get ready to go into my refrigerator here. Follow me and let's get what we need, okay? Alright, so green salsa verde, green stuff. I got some cucumbers, lettuce, avocados. We'll go with this mayonnaise and a little bit of butter, I think lard, and we are good to go. Follow me to my prep station. Alright, and I think we are ready. Let's not forget a little bit of spice to our salsa, so green, red, a little bit of spice, red chilies. Follow me. Alright guys, so we got some of our ingredients here for the salsa verde. So we got a pack of chilies. Lard. Some green stuff here, cucumbers. Lettuce. Avocados. You know what guys? I'll be honest with you. My wife does not want to give me the recipe after 15 years of marriage. I think she'll divorce me before she gives me and I put it out there. So I just quit. The best thing I can do for you guys is go to the store, buy some salsa verde, open it up, put it in a container, and enjoy. Sorry guys.